Goddess Saraswati. I request Supervisor Nangre sir to please come on the stage. I request everyone to join your hands together and get ready for the Saraswati Puja. Ya kundeन तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करा प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निश्चेषजाड्यापहा. Thank you, Meeka. I request our principal, Dr. Subha Virate ma'am, to introduce about the program.
सर्वांना नमस्कार. आजपासून इयत्ता 9वीतल्या मुली 10वीत गेल्या आहेत आणि 11वीच्या मुली 12वीत गेल्या आहेत. गव्हर्नमेंटने मुलींना NDAमध्ये ॲडमिशनसाठी सगळं प्रोसेस त्या दृष्टीने कसा अभ्यास करायचा ह्याची आणि तुम्हाला NDAची दालनं जी आहे ती ओपन झालेली आहे आणि म्हणून आपल्या शाळेतर्फे असा आपण एक प्रोग्राम घेणार आहोत की वर्षभर तुम्हाला प्रथमपासूनच NDAचा अभ्यास कसा करायचा, अकॅडमिक्सची सगळी पूर्ण तयारी कशी करायची यासाठी आपण हे पहिलंच म्हणजे आजपासून आपलं 2 दिवसांपासून वेकेशन बॅच सुरू झालेली आहे आणि यासाठी आपले जे माननीय लेफ्टनंट कर्नल प्रदीप ब्राह्मणकर यांच्या ॲपेक्स आहे इन्स्टिट्यूट, त्या ॲपेक्स इन्स्टिट्यूटतर्फे तुम्हाला NDAमध्ये कसं यश मिळवायचं, कशा प्रकारचा अभ्यास करायचा याचं पूर्ण तुम्हाला प्रशिक्षण तासिका या शाळेमार्फत उपलब्ध करून दिल्या जाणार आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला आपल्या EBSMच्या ज्या प्रिन्सिपल आहेत बोधनकर मॅडम त्यासुद्धा येणार आहेत आणि तुमचा प्रोग्रेस, तुमचा जो स्टडी आहे हा सगळा या ॲपेक्स इन्स्टिट्यूटतर्फे आपण घेणार आहोत की जेणेकरून सैनिकी शाळा आहे आणि या सैनिकी शाळेतल्या जास्तीत जास्त मुली ह्या NDAमध्ये जाणं आवश्यक आहे. त्याचा अभ्यास कसा करायचा, प्रॉपर गायडन्स कसं आहे हे या प्रोग्राममार्फत प्रशाला देणार आहे. मी लेफ्टनंट कर्नल प्रदीप ब्राह्मणकर यांचे या शाळेमध्ये स्वागत करते आणि माझं प्रास्ताविक थांबवते. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, ma'am. For today's program, we have a dynamic personality who has a vast experience in defense. Under his guidance, many students have been commissioned as officers in Indian Armed Forces. Now I request Cadet Meeka Ninwani to introduce today's chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Pradeep Brahmankar, Director, Apex Career.
Lieutenant Colonel Pradeep Brahmankar sir is an engineering graduate from Government College of Engineering, Pune of the 1980 batch and he has served in private sector in two reputed organizations, namely Perfect Circle Victor Limited, Nashik for 1 year and Shivaji Works Limited, Solapur for 2 years. Sir did MBA from Pune University Department of Commerce and Management Sciences during the year 1995 to 1997 and has specialized in the field of human resources and personnel management. Colonel Brahmanskar Sir joined Indian Military Academy, Dehradun on 8 February 1984 and was commissioned in the Corps of EME on 15 December 1984. Sir has served in various parts of the country from Siachen Glacier in north to Chennai in south and from Firzapur in west to Darjeeling in east. During the year 1989 to 1990, Sir served in Sri Lanka as a part of Indian peacekeeping force. Sir also participated in Operation Vijay and Operation Trident. Sir has been a staff officer at Corps headquarters in Northern Sector and has been an instructor at Military College of EME, Secunderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Sir took premature retirement after completing 21 years service in the Indian Army. Sir is the director of Apex Careers in Pune. The institute trains students for NDA entrance examinations, CDS written examinations, AFCAT, INET, Indian Navy entrance test and SSB interviews. The institute also conducts a special 2-year course for science students for NDA preparation known as 11 plus 12 plus NDA course. Apex Careers has to its credit more than 500 students who have been commissioned as officers in the Indian Armed Forces, of which around 170 students have joined the prestigious National Defence Academy, and over 40 girls and over 400 boys have been commissioned in the Army, Navy and Air Force. I request our Principal Dr. Sulbhavidate Ma'am to welcome our Chief Guest Lieutenant Colonel Brahmankar Sir by offering a bouquet. Thank you, Milika. I would now like to hand over the mic to our chief guest for the guidance. I request Lieutenant Colonel Brahmankar Sir to come on the podium and guide us.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, sir. You all can hear me? Yes, sir. Okay. So before I start the presentation, I would like to know how many girls sitting here are from class 9 who have moved to 10. Raise your hands, please. Okay, down. And from class 11 to class 12, raise your hand. Yes, okay. Thank you. A few of the girls I think might have attended the program in December which we did in the IMCC hall. Did any one of you attend the program? None? Who attended the program? Please raise your hand if someone has attended the program. Okay, very few, so no problem. So let's start and move on one by one quickly. Yes, next slide. We will start the presentation. First you see the presentation and I'll quickly go through and then we will have a question answer session. Alright? Yes, come on, start. Put this slide. Okay, NDA Other entries after 12, career for women, SSB interviews and OLQ, this is very important, OLQ, officer-like qualities. Pay and allowances and question answer session. Next slide. So what is National Defence Academy? It is all three service organizations, the representatives are there and we are trained there, wherein Army, Navy and the Air Force training, entire training is being done there, preliminary training. Final or further training of 1 year is done in the respective academies. Okay. Next slide. What is National Defence Academy? National Defence Academy is an iconic military academy attracting only the finest young men and women from all corners of the country. Now this and women I have mentioned now, because even in their website today it is only men. But already the permission has been granted. Women are going to join the NDA first batch in the month of July. Okay. So that's why I mentioned men and women from all corners of the country. In the 7 decades of its glorious existence, NDA has grown both in grace and grandeur. From its portals have graduated the leaders of the men who have proved their worth and have demonstrated the essence of inter-services, camaraderie and joint friendship. Next slide. NDA, there are a number of things, that is how to get through and all that, results and all. Okay, we just proceed to the next slide. Age 16.5 to 19.5. All the girls who have now cleared their 11th and moving on to 12 will be appearing for this exam in the month of September. I think 4th September is the day of the examination. So we have today, if we count the number of days or months, we will have just 4.5 months. Alright. And we plan for a 4-month capsule course. We will tell you as to how we will be proceeding. Alright. Educational qualification 12th pass. Now this is, we can appear when we are appearing in 12, but the entry is after you pass the 12. Alright. Next slide. Written exam, this is already done day before and you are going to appear for the exam on 4th September. Alright. Now this is for the girls who have gone from 9 to 10. It is right from now onward, you can have that thing in mind. Alright. There will be 2 papers. One will be mathematics, which will be of 300 marks. It will be 2.5 hours. It's all objective type questions. So 4 answers will be there for every question. The paper is not tough, but if you work hard, then it will be quite easy. Otherwise, one finds it very difficult. To get 40% marks also is difficult. The only thing that is required is studying hard, that's all. Alright? So all the topics that are there for the class 11th and 12th mathematics, they are there. Alright? Next slide. The second paper is General Ability Test. We call it GAT. Again 2.5 marks, 2.5 hours, but the marks are 600, double marks. Remember one thing, that you should not see these marks. What is important is you have to pass in both the papers. Mathematics also you have to pass, here also you have to pass. And the cutoff is generally above 40%. So if you get score more than 50% in both the papers, then you can easily pass this examination. Alright? Subjects to what are these? Physics, chemistry, general science, social studies, geography and current event. For this part, general knowledge part, that is 400 marks paper. So next slide. How to prepare? Well, Join Institute, we prepare that we are going to do it for you. Then prepare yourself. This also you can do it. Okay, means not only the classes, but also you need to work yourself very hard. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Next. Okay, we now come here. What happens after the examination? The results will be announced in the month of November. You are appearing on 4th of September. The results will come in November. Alright? Remember, you will have another attempt which will be in April next year. This September will be the first attempt and April next will be your second attempt. Results will be announced on the UPSC website, which is www.upsc.gov.in. Next slide. What after passing NDA written? Suppose you appear for the examination and you pass the exam, then what? Then you are supposed to undergo an SSB interview wherein you may get this call maybe in 15 days or a month's time. Maximum time limit might be 2 months. There is no guarantee that whether you will get a call in 10 days or 2 months. Alright? So you should be mentally geared up and mentally prepared for that. So you can start the SSB preparation, not now, but the minute you finish your written exam, if you are sure that you are going to get good marks or you will pass the written exam, then you can start your SSB preparation. Alright? So next slide. If you qualify the SSB, then what will happen? There will be a medical examination. And the final merit will be the end of June. Now forget this, that will be June 2023, because you are going to appear in September, for which result will come in November, then you will go for SSB January, February, March, and then June 2023, next year you are able to join the NDA. Okay? Next slide. What is there in the NDA? What is going to happen? Because you are going to join in those girls who are able to make it. The first batch is going to start in this year itself on 2nd of July. Yours will be the third batch, okay, for NDA. Alright? So, there will be 3 years of military and academic training. On completion will be awarded BA or BSc or BSc computers. Now, why this? Those who are going to join the Air Force wing or the Naval wings, they will be getting a BTech degree. Air Force and Naval cadets awarded BTech. But they will not get this degree at the end of passing out from NDA. They will get this degree after completion of 3 years at NDA and 1 year of training at Indian Naval Academy or Air Force Academy. The reason is the engineering degree is a 4-year degree after class 12. Whereas BA or BSc is a 3-year degree after 12. Those who are the Army cadets, they will get a BA or a BSc computer degree. Alright? So next slide. Who can do it? Now this is just for the sake of all of you who think that they have it in them. Whether they have it or not, they will prove for themselves. Alright? Good in maths, we all are good. All have got very good marks in board exams. So we assume that everybody is good. Okay? Good in social studies. So this is the girls like this subject very much. So they will all be good. Then good English. Now I think the 3 girls whom I heard just now, they were very, very confident on the stage. So if everybody is so good, there should be no problem in these 2 things, good power of expression and good English. Especially the one who introduced me. She introduced me so well, that was very nice. So I don't see any problem in power of expression or English. Okay, but this is the only, these 3 girls who have come up. I do not know what is there on the floor. Okay, but I assume that at least 75 to 80% of the girls will be of the same level. Alright? And those who are not, they can cope up. Okay? So next is त्या मनोगतातून दिशा मिळाली कृष्णा रिक्षा चालकाचा मुलगा झडपला NDA साठीच्या गुणवत्ता यादी. Now this article basically is of 2007 December. This boy joined the NDA in December 2007, so January 2008. And 2010 he passed out from NDA. 2011 he passed out from IMA. He is a commissioned officer in Bihar Regiment. Point is not that a rickshaw driver has made it. The point is a boy or a girl from any background can make it. Whether you are a farmer's daughter or an auto rickshaw driver's daughter or a businessman's daughter or a daughter of President of India, that doesn't make any difference. Okay, you should work hard towards achieving your goal. Now I want to know before we proceed, especially from these girls who are here of 11th class, please raise your hands who had thought of joining NDA. Please raise your hands. Okay, down. How many have started thinking now and how many were thinking right from day one since the time they have joined this school? How many think, you see, you have joined the school somewhere in class 6, correct? How many are from class 6, 6th onwards in this school? Raise your hand. 6th onwards? Okay. So out of these girls, how many of you had thought of joining the NDA? Anyone? How did you think of joining NDA? Well, that time it was not permitted only. Just don't raise your hand just because you think that हाथ ऊपर उठाना चाहिए. When you have joined this school, that time the Supreme Court had not announced. This has been announced just last year. Okay. How many have joined the school just 1 year back? Please raise your hand. Okay. Very nice. Good. So you have entered the school after your class 10. So that's very good. So again, when you joined this school in the month of maybe June or July, correct? You might be having a different thought in your mind. What was the thought in your mind? I'll just ask one or two girls, what was the thought in their mind or in their parents' mind for joining this school? Why? Because I'll get a small little feedback which I want for myself. Okay, I am just going to ask abruptly.
The girl who just drank water. Please stand up just for a minute and tell me the reason why you joined the school.
What is the background? What made you join this school after passing class 10?
You can speak in English. If you are not comfortable, you can speak in Marathi or Hindi, whatever, no problem.
Sir, I think this school will help me to join army and defense.
After graduation.
Yeah.
But was not there.
Yes.
Okay, now here the girls inspect chair number 2. Yeah. Correct. Thank you. I just want to know what the thought process in this.
I also choose this school for joining Air Force.
Okay, very nice, very good. And the circle center, yeah.
So actually I also want to join army. I thought this school will help me to improve myself, to improve the officer-like qualities in myself.
Very good. Okay, thank you. What the point?
Thank you so much. Now it is very clear that most of you, all of you, at least the 3 girls whom I asked, and now I consider almost all the girls, are keen to make a career in defense, and that is the reason what made you join this organization. Alright? Now, let me be very honest that in June and July, the NDA entry wasn't there. Alright? All of a sudden in the month of August, Supreme Court gave an announcement that the girls can appear for the NDA. It's such a big and a great news that all of us who have taken admission in this school, they have the opportunity of joining the defense forces from class 12th onwards, which wasn't there in the past. Alright. Like the last batch had very difficult time because they hardly got any time to appear. Understood? Because there was no time. A few appeared, might have appeared, but they didn't have time. Even the April batch, that is the previous batch, they appeared for the April exam. I think 40-45 girls have appeared. But they hardly had any time because the board exams were also there simultaneously. But yours will be the first batch when you have sufficient time to prepare. Now, you have to understand that hard work, there is no compromise for hard work, and you will have to work very, very hard. You have to burn the midnight oil. Even though the rules may be there for switching off the lights, maybe for your examination purposes, we may have to extend those timings because you will have to work at least 10-12 hours every day. And you have to reduce your sleep. Alright? So that is very important. We now proceed further. Okay, next slide. Same news but in a different newspaper. Next slide. Next slide, you can just go through, you see how many students have joined. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Next. Next. This is the last year's batch. Next. This is also the last year's batch, 2021. Now you see, till now, Apex Careers has been able to make more than 170 students join the National Defence Academy. Now for the girls, we also have to understand that the entry for the boys there are around 300 vacancies and for the girls there are 19 vacancies, 19. Even if they increase, that increment cannot go beyond 30 because there is a restriction of the employability of the women officers in the armed forces, especially in the army, and the maximum seats are for the army. Okay, in the combat mission or in the war, where there is man-to-man fight, okay, there we can't send the ladies in front. So therefore there is a restriction of employability. Alright, so let us proceed further. Okay, this is our student only, Shardul, who we gave him some prize for cracking in the first attempt. Next slide. Now proceed further because this entry is not for the girls. Next. Go ahead. Next.